Slama Amuhon. That means peace be with you. The term Duhrana the Annide refers to the commemoration of those who have passed away in risen Isha. This observance is on the concluding Aruta or set day or Friday of the Denaha season. This commemoration shall be called as Duhrana of the Annidas or the departed. The word Annida is derived from the Aramaya or Suriyaya language which was used by our Maria or Lord Yeshua. The plural form of the term Annida is Annide. The term Annide carries meanings such as the departed, the diminished, the absent, the exiled, the changed, the buried, the travelers, the inhabited ones of the upper land, the ones who have passed away, and those who are no longer present here. The Annidas or the departed are those who have slept or rested in the risen Messiah. Annidas have transitioned into heaven, having left this earthly life behind. Annidas have diminished here, but have grown in the afterlife. Though they are absent in this world, they stand close before the risen Esau. Annidas have migrated to heaven and have been transformed into a new existence there. The Annidas are the heavenly dwellers, the ones who have crossed over into eternity. Although they are no longer present in this world, they are alive in the presence of Allah. This transformation is made possible through the mercy of the risen Messiah. Therefore, the Dukhrana of the Annidas is observed in the presence of the Ruha Kudisha or Holy Spirit, allowing us to follow the example of their witness to risen Messiah. Their existence before Allah, sustained by His mercy, offers us a path to receive the mercy of the risen Esau. The continued presence of the Annidas in the afterlife is a source of goodness for us, a sign of the resurrection hope, and a preparation for the fullness of the resurrection life. Praise be to the risen Yeshua Messiah, who is the beginning, the foundation, and the fulfillment of our Nasraya faith. During the celebration of the Rase Kandishe or Holy Mysteries, we shall worship Allah together with the Annidas and receive risen Messiah, who shares himself and by doing acts of mercy centered on the Rase Kandishe or Holy Mysteries in the Duhrana of the Annidas, we can continue their witness in our own lives. Yesraham Alain means have mercy on us. Allah of the Annidas, Yesraham Alain. Marsliva Dera Code 6